Aokigahara. Many call it the suicide forest. People enter its depths, some tragically do not return. The forest breathes an ancient sorrow. It rests at Mount Fuji's base, a stark contrast to the serene peak. Aokigahara grew on volcanic rock, creating a dense, tangled expanse. Legends speak of Yurei, the restless spirits of Japan. Old tales mention ubasute, the act of abandoning the elderly. Sunlight struggles to pierce the canopy, creating a natural maze. Few animals make their home here. Birdsong is noticeably absent. This pervasive silence deepens the forest's unease. The air itself feels heavy, watchful. The forest seems to hold these memories. It is a place of profound cultural melancholy, a quiet unlike any other place. Many people become lost easily within. The gnarled trees often look alike, creating a formidable natural labyrinth. The forest floor holds magnetic secrets from volcanic rock rich in iron. These deposits affect navigational tools, causing compasses to fail. Their delicate needles spin erratically or point the wrong way. The local magnetic fields can override Earth's weaker magnetism. Navigating by compass becomes risky, leading one astray. GPS devices also encounter difficulties. Signals are weak. The dense tree canopy blocks satellite signals. Some posit that magnetism interferes too. Obtaining a reliable location fix is hard. Modern technology is not always supreme. The ancient forest resists these tools. It guards its secrets from easy mapping. Disorientation remains a constant threat. The wild retains its power here. Aokigahara is unnervingly quiet. The usual sounds of the forest are absent. The dense trees seem to absorb sound, creating a heavy, expectant stillness. This intense silence affects the human mind, leading to sensory deprivation. Anxiety can grow quickly. Feelings of paranoia might take root. Small, indistinct sounds become magnified, and the imagination runs wild. The visual landscape is monotonous. Endless, similar trees stand like columns. Green moss covers almost everything softly. The light is dim, often unchanging, with few clear landmarks. This pervasive sameness confuses the eye, adding to disorientation. People often report feeling watched or sensing an unseen presence. The forest plays on basic human fears. The sense of isolation is powerful. One is truly alone with the trees and the thoughts they inspire. Scientists now meticulously study Aokigahara using new technologies. AI-powered drones fly above and within the trees, gathering precise data. This helps to map the forest accurately, revealing its hidden patterns. Drones navigate complex areas, creating detailed three-dimensional maps. This was incredibly hard before drones. The dense terrain often defeated human mappers. Magnetic anomaly mapping is also key. Drones carry sensitive magnetometer instruments. These devices detect subtle magnetic variations, mapping iron deposits precisely. This shows why compasses fail. The patterns of magnetism are complex. Science uncovers these hidden natural forces, making the Earth's pull visible. So is Aokigahara truly haunted, or are its many mysteries natural? Science explains a great deal now, the volcanic rocks, the deep silence, the density, yet a certain feeling always lingers. The forest retains its profound power. Perhaps nature itself is the deepest mystery. Its true essence remains elusive. Don't forget to subscribe to the Missing Link channel for more. Stay safe, stay curious, and see you in the next video.